Riley. Good hiking. Let's go. Woohoo! Ducks in a row. Ball chasing. Welcome to Gondwana Rainforest. A road trip up with me. Duck. Are you still going this way, hey? Here we go. I've driven an hour and a half to get to Canungra so far. Oh, that's that pub. It's a really nice old pub. A beautiful pub. Seriously, it's gorgeous. Alright, let's go. It takes nearly an hour to get up because it's really windy, so come on an adventure with me. We're driving up to O'Reilly's retreat in Lamington National Park. Pals, just up the side of the road. Till we get up on top of the mountain, drive into O'Reilly's retreat is so beautiful. So you gotta be careful. So I'm glad there's someone in front of me. There's someone behind me too. Like here. Zigzag. Gotta watch out for kangaroos. This time's a good time. You don't want to be going up here later. Leave it on the top there. Take a look at these trees. I cannot wait to hike. Welcome to Lamington National Park. It's another world up here. With these beautiful big trees. up. Scary. To go backwards a couple of times because it's like only one way, well, one lane. So you had to go back. I'm not the best reverser. Okay, stay back. So, alright. Code. Awesome. Then a backpackers, you can swing a cat. This is great. Look at this view, man. Home for the next 3 nights. So the communal kitchen. There's not much space. You're up in the mountains, it's like fresh air. It's cooler. O'Reilly.
Wow. You made a wish? Oh, awesome.